I'm not sure. I'm really not sure.
Okay, I'll give you one more chance to rectify it. Would you want to rectify it?
Am I allowed to go forward? This is like a genuine question.
I'm just the examiner. You do what your instructor have told you to do. And when it's safe to do so, I would like you to pull over to the right, please. Pull up to the right. Okie dokie. So we're going to do the maneuver, please. So whenever you're ready, I would like you to reverse your car back 2 cars length, please. Make sure during your maneuver, keep your car reasonably close to the right curb, please, for me all the time. Thank you.
Go reverse and people coming can see. Going out here. I'm going to say that that's 2 cars length, I think, I hope.
Are you reasonably close to the curb as well?
No, I need to adjust. Can I do that?
Yes, please.
Right, I need to think about which way I have to turn now. This is not my day. There we go. I'm in like the worst position ever here.
Have you done?
Yeah.
You sure, yeah?
I'm not sure. I'm really not sure.
Okay, I'll give you one more chance to rectify it. Would you want to rectify it?
Am I allowed to go forward? This is like a genuine question.
I'm just the examiner. You do what your instructor have told you to do. If you feel it's safer to go forward and come back, yes, you can maybe do that. But obviously do whatever your instructor have told you to do so.
This is not my day. At least my wheels are straight, yeah. Okay, I'm happy here.
Okay, so you done now?
Yeah.
Good, okay. Now, unfortunately, you did have a serious fault, which you may not know, but when you're going to see the video, you will do. But I asked you to do pull over to the right, remember? Now, there were a big white van parked up over here.
Yeah.
Now, you were focusing on that target there. You did not realize there's a van over there.
Oh, right, okay.
And you were literally this close to that. If I would have, or if something happened to my car, let's say my car get fire,
yeah,
I would not be able to go out safely.
Yeah.
The reason why, because you're focusing. So always remember, you don't want to lock your eyes. At that point, your main target or hazard was the parked van. Now, you did not give me one door's land. That will be a serious fault. Your maneuver.
Oh, don't even go there with that, because I knew it was so bad. It was so bad.
Well, you started off so well. Your maneuver, you did everything good, but I think you forgot your plan B.
Yeah.
So, Sophia, your car was going away from the curb. If it's going away from the curb, and this is important because on the video, if it's going away from the curb, put your hand on the steering. If it's something going away from the curb, that's enough.
Right.
If you would have done instantly, the car would have been going back. Yeah. Now, you didn't, but when you did do it, you did too much staying in your car, went too much like this on the road.
It was
that's
like
why
like a parallel park.
No, but on the parallel parking we do about the quarter steering, but in this one we don't. So but at one occasion you were reversing, there was a car coming quite fast, you didn't stop your car. Yeah. Everything is just add up, unfortunately. So your maneuver will be a serious fault too, I'm afraid.
I knew with that